Hello, viewers of my channel. Today we have a review of a home attention pull-up bar that can be installed in a doorway or between walls. Some kind of major, let's say, brick or plastered with its subsequent removal, so you don't have to bore into the walls. That's, as they say, its charm. Don't ruin the renovation, so let's go through it as it comes in this condition with the brackets removed.
The pull-up bar itself is metal with comfortable rubberized handles. The features are also metals. There is a rubber shovel hook so that it can be braced against a wall or used to spread against a wall or in a door frame against wooden parts. So, during assembly on this leg, you see there is such a there it is, you see the notch, there it is, you see it sticks out. There is a notch on the pull-up bar. You need to connect them, attach it, and it will be securely fixed on it. Next,
then we have the pull-up bar. I didn't mention, these pull-up bars come in different sizes for different openings. Mine in particular is from 1 meter to 1 meter 30. It can be mounted in an opening. Since my hallway is 1 meter 20 wide, I chose, I'll repeat, a pull-up bar from 1 meter to 1 meter 30. There are longer options and there are narrower options, so choose according to the size of your room or doorway, whatever you have, and as they say, purchase according to your needs. Then
this pull-up bar is sold with a float level like this, a very simple float level. It can't be dismantled. I'll say right away, it's not adjusted, so the body itself and this black part can be easily adjusted. That is higher. You see, I adjust it with my hand like this, like that. Therefore, before mounting the pull-up bar horizontally, place it on a surface where you are sure you have a level, maybe a windowsill, most likely in the house, maybe the floor, maybe something else. That is, it's easy to check. That is, you set it like this at first, then turned it, and you need to choose a position so that this bubble is in the same position both ways. That is, you adjust it yourself. Only after that, install it back on the pull-up bar and you can level it horizontally. There is nothing complicated, anyone can do it. Next, the pull-up bar has these stoppers on both ends. They are red. What's the purpose of this pull-up bar? How does it work?
So I'll jump ahead a little.
It works very fundamentally. This main part, roughly speaking, from this black piece to this black piece is the main frame, which is these two parts are screwed into the main pull-up bar. There's threading inside, and by unscrewing these parts, well, these two parts on this side and on this side, it either lengthens or shortens. So it's a simple principle here.
these things are needed to connect, well, to fix together the part that is roughly speaking stationary and the part that unscrews. When these teeth go inside the inner part, those teeth, like this. So these two parts are fixed and that's it, and it doesn't turn. When we remove it, this part rotates relative to this one along the thread.
That's the whole principle. So let me show you.
I'll set the pull-up bar at a height of 1 meter for now, so it's easier for me to show you how to install it. And then later I'll even do a pull-up at the height of 2 meters. We'll install it and I'll do a pull-up. So now we move on to the main part, installing the pull-up bar directly in the hallway. I decided to install it in my hallway. I'll repeat, we take the pull-up bar, remove the locks.
Remove from the left, the right.
By unscrewing, we achieve such a bar, such a distance so that the bar can easily pass through the opening. We have achieved it. Now by unscrewing one leg,
We unscrew one leg counterclockwise, then unscrew a little more counterclockwise. The second leg.
Here, this part is unscrewed clockwise. This part, it turns out, is unscrewed counterclockwise. We'll look at the horizon. Set the legs vertically. Try set them vertically here, vertically there. We check to ensure we have a horizon. Set it. We see that the pull-up bar has already caught on the wall, and in my case,
we turn the pull-up bar away from ourselves. Like this, we turn it, rotate it. The leg moved a bit, quickly, check it vertically, rotate with all our strength.
away from yourself. Don't for all the locks are set. The locks are set in place.
The locks are in place, the parts unscrewing from the main part are secured together. The pull-up bar is considered installed.
The manufacturer states in their instructions that the pull-up bar can support 200 kilograms. I currently weigh 84. It holds me confidently. I will demonstrate this to you now.
In principle, I am satisfied with the pull-up bar. So for people who are not professionals and want to maintain their physical shape at home, I think it will suit them well. So I recommend it. Thank you for your attention. See you in new videos.